The possibility of Justin Arana and Kobe Paras joining Barangay Ginebra depends on several factors. Justin Arana is one of the most promising big men in the PBA today, known for his solid defense, rebounding, and inside scoring. Looking at Ginebra's system under coach Tim Cone, they prefer big men with defense and high basketball IQ like Japet Aguilar and Christian Standhardinger. Arana could be a potential target if Ginebra needs a backup center or a future replacement for their aging veterans. However, this would depend on whether Converge is willing to trade him in exchange for key players or a future picks. On the other hand, Kobe Paras has the athleticism and scoring ability that Ginebra fast-paced offense. Although he hasn't played in the PBA for a while and choose to play in Japan B-League, he could still be a potential acquisition for Ginebra if expresses interest in returning to the country. Kobe's name and fan base could be a big asset for Ginebra, a team known for its never say die culture and massive fan support. However, both scenarios depend on team management, player availability, and how will they fit into Ginebra's system. As of now, there are no concrete reports linking the two players to Ginebra, but it wouldn't be surprising if it's happened in the future if the team needs fresh talent. Well, si Kobe Paras nga talagang marami ng pinaglaro na international at local. Well, alam naman natin na may pinagmanahan talaga itong batang to sa kanyang ama. Pero kung titingnan natin ang skills, all-around player nga ito. Well, sa palagay nyo ba, mapupunta kaya ito sa Barangay Ginebra or sa ibang team katulad ni Justin Arana? Well, di pa natin masasabi yan sa ngayon dahil ang dalawang player na to talagang nagtitigasan at talagang magaling to pagdating sa loob at labas. Hintay-hintay lang tayo kung ano nga ba talaga mangyayari sa draft pick dito kay Kobe Paras dahil si Justin Arana nasa Converge na nga. Well, magandang laban to once na nakapasok na sa PBA si Kobe Paras. Hanggang dito na lang tayo. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So, see you for my next video. See you for my next vlog. God bless.